in a 5-4 decision, the Supreme Court has ruled in favor of Hobby Lobby. This means any private corporation like Hobby Lobby, where the majority of the owners have deeply held religious beliefs, they won't have to provide 4 types of birth control for their employees. This whole Hobby Lobby case reminds me of something they would discuss on Fox News. You'll have some family that owns a bakery where they've been told they can't refuse to bake cakes for gay couples. And we're supposed to feel sorry for this couple because somehow, just somehow, some of their rights are being violated.
You know, the ACLU attorney Amanda Goad, she said this. I'm going to read her quote for you, and then you can react to her for us. Religious freedom is undoubtedly an important American value, but so is the right to be treated equally under the law, free from discrimination. What do you think about that?
Elizabeth, freedom of religion isn't an important American value. It's a constitutional right. And the fact is, the state of Colorado has no business forcing Jack to abandon deeply held convictions which are protected by the First Amendment, so that the state can impose a new and government-approved belief system upon him.
Why are we even having this discussion? And what does your religious beliefs or your religion have to do with running that business? How is it fair for your employer to impose his or her religious beliefs on you? Now, you may want to get birth control, and your employer is going to tell you, sorry, you're going to have to pay for it. Whether or not you agree with this Hobby Lobby decision, how is it fair for your employer to impose his or her religious beliefs on you? Now, when you want birth control, your employer may tell you, sorry, you're going to have to pay for it. With this decision, they claim it's very narrow and it will only apply to employers providing birth control. Even if this is true, this seems like a slippery slope in which we could have other businesses where they'll deny health care coverage for their employees. You may want a blood transfusion, but now your employer is going to explain to you, sorry, you're going to have to pay for it because I have these religious beliefs in which I don't believe in blood transfusions. Do you think you'll be able to afford to pay for your own blood transfusion?